Hello friends, today I have brought you a full review of the third generation Apple AirPods. For those of you who are planning to buy new AirPods, this video will be very helpful. Today I will cover all the features of this device and why it could be a great choice for you. I will discuss that as well. So let's get started. First, let's thoroughly discuss the overall design and the unboxing experience. Inside the elegantly designed box, you will discover a brand new pair of the highly anticipated AirPods 3rd generation, along with a convenient and efficient lightning charging case and a user manual guide. The design is very slim and lightweight, and the color is classic white. The AirPods are in-ear, meaning they fit very well in your ears. Now let's move on to the features. These AirPods have personal spatial audio, which means the sound adjusts according to the shape of your ear. Dynamic head tracking. When you're watching movies or listening to music, it will feel like the sound is coming from all around you. Besides that, it supports Dolby Atmos, which gives you a truly immersive experience whether you're watching movies or gaming. In conclusion, the Apple AirPods 3rd generation is the perfect choice for those who want a premium quality earbud experience. If you have any confusion about this product, don't forget to let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you, everyone.